Grabe, daling, dali. Daling, dali. Daling, dali. Grabe, daling, dali.
Ay, sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling. Ang bangis niyang gumiling. Ang bangis niyang gumiling-giling. Sino siya? Di na kayang pigilin. Talagang manggigigil ka. Daling-daling mo, sa'yo na gusto ko. Sige, igiling, igiling, wag hihinto.
O daling-daling mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, igiling, wag ihinto. Grabe, daling, dali. Daling, dali. Daling, dali. Grabe, daling, dali. Daling-daling mo, sa'yo na gusto ko. Sige, igiling, igiling, wag ihinto. O daling-daling mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, igiling, wag ihinto. Grabe, daling-dali. 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 Sige, daling-dali. Daling-dali.
Thank you, Market Market! Una-una po sa lahat, I've got Ethan, I've got Charles, I've got Michael, I've got Derek, I've got Hans, at kumikuan, GNC! Thank you for having us, of course. The Loved One Lost Show, of course. We're all excited to see Miss Ann Curtis later. Yes, so excited namin. Sino ba naman ang hindi ma-excite makita isang Diyosa? Matulad ni Miss Ann, right? So, for our next song, gusto namin po kayong hanahin. Sana po magustuhan itong next song namin. This is for all of you.
Paano kung bigla na lamang I wrap my arms around your hips, baby, yeah.
Pag di mo inaasahan, I'll kiss you right on the lips, baby, yeah.
Write little love notes on a post-it, and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh, oh.
Ang daming
Sabay na po kami. Alam ko, alam mo na.
tanging dahilan, oh babe.
Hahanapin
Kita, saan man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. O kaya bigla may breakfast in bed, just to keep you interested. Kahit wala na. Just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you.
oh,
Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Sungit mo. Kahit di ganong kawangis, ika'y ikuguhit ko.
I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like, and baby, I'll give you the last bite. Oh, oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan sa pag-apply.
Hahanahin kita, saan man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. O kaya be on the spot in a day, and this time I won't be late. romantic, baby, I'ma let you have it.
Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, baby.
Pananahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. O kaya lilibre ka ng sine, kahit di ko trip ay sige. Kahit wala na. Pananahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. O kaya iaalay ang kantang to na sinulat para sa'yo. Kahit wala na. Simple random things to say. Randomatic, so romantic, baby, I'ma let you have it.
Thank you, everyone. Grabe. It's been such a while since we performed together as a group, but sobrang saya po namin na ang first performance po namin after a long time is here at Market Market. So I would like to thank Market Market for having us. And of course, thank you, the Love One Motion, for making it possible. For our next song is a very important song for us because it's the OST of Ang Mundiano Section E, The Dark Side Season 2. Yes. Of course, you guys can watch that. Mapapanood niyo po yan only on Vivo 1. Ang Mundiano Section E Season 2 is out now.
Yes, kakatapos lang natin ng part 1. So, kung di pa kayo na catch up sa season 2,
Yes.
part 1, panoorin na sa Vivo 1. And abangan kasi may part 2 coming soon.
Yes, malapit na po yan. So, this second song, this last song is for all of you, everyone. Thank you po. Thank you for having us.
Pag dumaan ka na lahat ay napapatingin.
Bawat galaw niya talagang malakas ang dating. Kapag kumembot na ang bewang ay aga pansin. Eto na, sige, ikembot mo. Sige, ikembot, Sige, ikembot,
ba ang the lover or the loved one sa isang relasyon? O kung ano yung preferred nila, di ba? Ready na ba kayo, boy?